How to fix WhatsApp unable to backup messages problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to backup message problem on your WhatsApp account. So if you're trying to backup your WhatsApp data but keep facing issues, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to solve this problem. So now without further ado, let's get started with the first step, that is to update your WhatsApp. To do that, simply open the Play Store and search for the WhatsApp in the search bar. And once you search for it, if you find any updates for the WhatsApp, you can simply tap on Update to install the latest version. Sometimes outdated version of WhatsApp can cause backup issues, so updating the app can often fix the problem. And now with this, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to check app permissions. After updating WhatsApp, you need to check if the necessary permissions are enabled. To do that, simply tap and hold on the WhatsApp app icon and simply select app info, and from there you can simply tap on the app permissions. And here ensure that files and media permissions is enabled. And also check that contacts and camera permissions are allowed. Having these permissions enabled ensure that WhatsApp can access your storage for backups. And with this, let's head to the step 3, that is to adjust battery and network settings. To do that, simply go back to the app info and tap on battery settings. And from there, select no restriction to prevent WhatsApp from being optimized in the background. And you can also go to the network settings to ensure that data access is enabled for WhatsApp. And with that, let's proceed to the step 4, that is to restart your phone. So before attempting the backup again, you need to restart your phone, because restarting helps resolve temporary system glitches that might be causing the backup issue. And once your phone restarts, let's try backing up again. So open the WhatsApp and tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu that appears, simply tap on the settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on chats. And here you can see the option labeled chat backup. Simply tap on it. Now tap on backup option and wait for the process to complete. If you follow these steps, your backup should now work properly. And that's it guys. This is how you fix the WhatsApp unable to backup message issue. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.